Hi there. Today we're going to do a quick 15-minute routine. It's going to be a feel-good routine. Just use that Pilates to power up your body, wake up all those sleepy muscles, and get you feeling good. All right, let's get started. Soles of your feet together. Push them together and then press them down into the mat. Feel that ignite your hips and sit up tall. Just hold there. Take a nice deep inhale. Exhale. Take one more breath just to connect. Exhale. Good. Now holding your shins, use your inhale to open your chest. Exhale to center. Two more. Now come through center, and on your exhale, flex back. Come back up. Inhale, open. Exhale back. Inhale, open. Maybe add some arms now. Come on up. Hold right there. Squeeze your legs together. Reach and pull yourself back. Maybe get right to your low back if that's okay. Hold right there. Slide your legs in and slowly make it down. Stretch your arms nice and long. Anchor the arms on your back. Take an inhale. Exhale. Reach. Inhale up. Stretch those shoulders. Sacrum down. Bring the arms back up. Let the legs come apart a little bit. Start to roll the pelvis towards your chest. Inhaling. Exhale it up. Stay for an inhale. Use your abs to sort of pull your pelvis towards your chest. Exhale, press the arms behind you. Inhale. Exhale. Anchor the arms, open the chest. And inhale. Start to roll the pelvis, stretch the hips up, and press the arms down. Push the arms, pull with the pelvis with the abs. Good. And arms up. Exhale, back. Inhale the arms, start to roll down. And arms anchor down. Roll the hips up. Now keep the arms down and really stretch the chest here. Anchor the arms. Feel your butt bones push to the backs of your knees. Stretch the arms up. Turn the palms towards each other and just open the chest. Bring it back up. Two more. 2, 1. Now hold it there. Roll down through the spine. Good. Take one leg up to tabletop. Other leg up and tap it out. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring both legs up, squeeze them together. Take the hips over to one side. Arms don't move. Come back to center. Other way. Just rocking the hips from side to side using those abs. It's not a big movement. Keep those knees sealed shut. 4, 3, 2, 1. Come to center. Grab behind your knees. Flex your head, neck, and shoulders up. Elbows wide. Anchor your sacrum. Squeeze those thighs together. Let go of the arms. Stretch the arms up to the sky. Roll it down. Reach the arms. Circle them around. Lift up. Stay. Anchor the sacrum. Reach the arms. Up. Roll down. Circle around. One more. Now roll up. Stay right there. And then press your legs into your hands into your legs, and use that to help roll yourself up. Stretch those arms. Roll back. Dive. Inhale. Try to find your low back if you can. If you want to go all the way down, you can on this next one. Or keep doing that half roll back. Stretch your legs if you want. And up and over. Two more. Roll it down. Arms wide. One leg up. 5 circles. Circle the other way. Switch legs. Anchor. Go. Did you reverse yet? I forgot to warn you. And bring it in. Legs to tabletop. Lift yourself up. Use the arms and legs. Come up. Hug yourself in. And roll back. And up. Keep pulling the head towards the belly. The butt bones follow the heels. 2 more. Rest on the upper mid-back. Roll it back. Find your shoulder blades. Open the thighs. Reach the arms. Stretch. Pull back in. Stretch. Now if you want, when you stretch the legs, stretch the arms. 2 more. Hands behind the head. Bring the legs in. Rotate. And over. Armpit to knee. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come to center. Grab those thighs. Pull up. Legs wide. Sit up tall. Dive it. And up. 2 more. Reach the arms up, out to the sides, rotate and dive it. Stay twisted, other side. Stretch those arms in opposition. Plant that pelvis, don't let it move. 1 more each side. Good. Legs together, turn it hands and knees. Give yourself a little tuck. Open it and find your flexion. 2 more. And open. And come to center. Take your right leg back, your left arm forward. 5 times we're going to lift. Inhale. Exhale, you're going to keep that spine super long. You're not going to let it extend or flex. Just scoop and pull that belly in as you lift up. 2 more. 2. You're going to hold it up there in 1. Hold, hold, hold. And then just pull the elbow towards the knee as you flex your spine. And then reach it and find your long spine. 2 more. Scoop. Reach. Now reach, hold it. Take the arm and leg out to the side. Find your balance. Bring it back in. Lower down, other side. Arm and leg. Inhale up. Exhale down. 4 more. So you're stretching your limbs, but you're really coming from your center. 2 more. Hold, breathe, find your length. And then knee and elbow towards one another. Drop your head. Reach, try not to extend here. Can you just find length and not overdo it? 2 more. 2. 1. And then reach the arm and leg out to the side. Come back to center. Bring it in and stretch it. Come back to center. We're going to thread our arm through so we lift our hips up and really reach and plant that arm. Come back up, other side. Hips stay up to the sky. The arm that's bent, it's like a push-up. You bend it, you reach it. 3 more. 3. And then reach and anchor that arm. 2. 1 more. And come on up. Stretch your arms up towards the sky, pelvis over knees. Pull back and up. 2 more. 2. 1 more. Now you're going to keep it there. I'm going to turn to you. And then all you're going to do is take your arms out to the side as you press one arm or one leg out. And then keep your pelvis over your knee. Good. And then we're just going to stretch up and over. Keep your pelvis over that knee. Come back up and find your balance. 2 more. Stretch it up and over. And 1 more. Good. Take your hand behind your head. Lift that elbow up to the sky. Can you try to lift that leg up? Hold it. Pelvis forward. Pubic bone forward. Drop the leg. Come on up and reverse that stretch. Good. Come up. Arms out. Stretch the leg. Pelvis over knee. This knee is your anchor. Keep it strong as you take your body over. And up. Over. Up. 1 more. You're going to hold it over. Take your hand behind your head. Lift your elbow up. Try to lift your leg without letting your pelvis rock back. Stay strong in that supported leg. Lift your leg as high as you can. Come up. Side stretch. Good. Come back to center. Hands under the shoulders, tuck, and lift your hips in your inverted V. Just hold and press there, lower the heels, lift the heels, lower, lift. Now lower those heels, stay there, and just alternate knee bends. Keep those hips lifted, and stretch, one big stretch. Drop the knees down, sit your hips back. Big deep breath. And just roll it on up through the spine. Get the backs of those feet stretching. Tuck the toes. Sit back again. Get your feet stretching. Good. And back down. Oh, good job. Center yourself once again. Hopefully you feel pretty centered at this point. Stretch your arms up on an inhale. Stretch, stretch. Pull that energy right into your center. Good job. So I hope you feel good. So if you want to keep working out with me, I have something called a Core Club where we really work on specific
things each week, each month, and really work towards getting our body as efficient as possible. So it really is a lifestyle plan, and my hope is to get your body all powered up and oiled up with Pilates so that you feel good for a lifetime. So if you're interested in checking out those workouts, checking out the community, head over to the Core Club. The description is below. Thanks so much for joining me today, and I will see you next time on the mat. Take care.